Have you ever seen a plant that is beautiful, easy to grow, and even edible? Today I'm going to talk about one such amazing plant called Nasturtium. Nasturtium is a fast-growing flowering plant with bright orange, yellow, and red flowers. It is a very low-maintenance plant that is perfect for beginners. They have beautiful leaves that are round and very unique, and the best part, both leaves and flowers are edible. They have a peppery taste and they're popularly used in salads for both flavor and beauty. There are mainly two types of nasturtiums you can get. The bushy type, they're small and perfect for growing in pots. The trailing or climbing type, that spreads or hangs down, great for hanging baskets or railings and ground covers. They also come in variegated leaves, which also looks great. These plants are also great for attracting a lot of wildlife in the garden. The bees love them, and the sunbirds also love them. I love seeing the sunbirds in my garden. You can also plant them in your vegetable garden as a companion plant. These are annual plants, and in tropical climates you can grow them in the winter, and in cooler climates you can grow them in the spring or summertime. Nasturtiums can be easily grown from seeds. They often self-seed and grow naturally. Just sow the seeds 1 inch deep, keep them moist, and they will germinate in a week. You can also buy small little plants like this from a nursery. I got this from my local nursery, and this is how I grow them. You can plant 2 plants in an 8-inch pot. For potting media, you can choose any regular well-draining soil for them. They don't need heavy rich soil. Take just plain garden soil and around 20 to 30% compost, and that will be enough. In my garden, they drop seeds and naturally come up every season, so they're quite hassle-free plants. They like a moist soil, so water them well and keep them well hydrated. Water whenever the topsoil feels dry, and also don't overwater them. They grow best in full sun. 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight is ideal for them, but they will also tolerate a little bit of shade, but more light means more bloom. If you don't have enough light, you can still grow them for their beautiful foliage. I love them just for their unique foliage. As for fertilizer, any light organic liquid fertilizer like mustard cake or seaweed weekly will be enough. If you want, you can also add a tablespoon of bone and horn dust once a month. Don't feed them too much, they don't need a lot of fertilizing. When the flowers fade, pinch the dead flowers regularly. It will help the plant stay clean and you will get a lot more flowers for a long time. In my garden, I have never seen any pest on them, so pest is not an issue. These are very low maintenance and beautiful plants that grow very well even if you neglect them, so definitely grow them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.